This question is asking us to show a relationship between two variables. It says if x is equal to 3z minus 2 and y is equal to 2 plus 3z, how much greater is y than x? These questions can be a little bit confusing based on their wording, but if we look at the end of this, how much greater is y than x? That kind of tips us off that we want to show just a relationship between y and x, which helps us see that we want to eliminate in some way z. So if we look at these two equations, both of them have a 3z in them. So if I could solve for 3z, that means I can then substitute that value into another equation for 3z. So let's show that right here. If I want to get 3z by itself, I could either add 2 here or subtract 2 there. All right, let's just do it right here. Let's add 2 to both sides, and that gives us x plus 2 is equal to 3z. Okay, now that we know what 3z is equal to, we can take what 3z equals and substitute it in to that second equation, and we'll have a relationship of y and x. So let's check that out. So y is equal to 2 plus 3z, but we know that 3z is x plus 2, so we're just going to replace 3z with x plus 2. We substituted in what 3z equaled for 3z. All right, now we have our equation in terms of x and y. Let's just simplify it. Y is equal to 2 plus x plus 2, if I just got rid of those parentheses. There's nothing there we need to multiply by. And then combining like terms, we get 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm going to put the x first, so x and then plus 4. So we have the equation y is equal to x plus 4. So how much greater is y than x? Well, y is 4 times more than x, right? Because y is equal to that value plus 4. So y is equal to 4 more than x. And once we know that, we've answered the question. It's 4 more. How much greater? It's 4. And we find that in solution J.